Hello, crypto traders. Welcome to today. Wow. So, in this session, we're going to be talking about the recent crypto crash. So, today we have Bitcoin dropping way over 5%, and many other altcoins have dropped. Many have dropped over 6 to 8%. If you look at BNB, have dropped over 12%, SRP 7%, Solana have dropped over 8%. Ethereum have dropped 6%. And within the week, in 7 days, you can see many crypto projects. The top 10 crypto projects have dropped by over 2 digits. You can see Bitcoin have dropped by around close to 14% in a week. And Ethereum have dropped by 14%. BNB have dropped over 17%. And SRP 21%, Solana have dropped over 19%. Where you can say that there is a bloodbath going on in the crypto space right now. Now, one of the questions I've always received from my community, one of the questions will be, sir, is the bull run over? Is it time for us to sell? Is it time for us to cut our loss and just leave the market? The truth of the matter is the bull run is still very much on. And I will just explain like this. You see, no project, no coin, no asset moves in a straight line. Okay, no asset moves in a straight line. So there's going to be a moment of dip and a moment of up movement. So we have seen an up movement in the crypto space for a very prolonged period of time. For months, Bitcoin have been hitting all-time high. Okay, so it is only natural for it to correct. All right, it's natural for it to correct. And another thing I want us to understand is this. Okay, if we look at the previous bull run, Bitcoin got to $67,549 before it retreats. But before it hit that all-time high, it first got to 64,000. It got to 64,000, and after this 4,000, it retraced. If you have been following crypto for a very long time, it retraced when Tesla, that is Elon Musk, made an announcement that they are no longer going to be accepting Bitcoin. The entire crypto space, Bitcoin crashed all the way from 64,000 down to $30,000. And everybody everywhere in the space were crying that Bitcoin is over for crypto. Everybody sell, everybody sell. And what happened? Bitcoin and the entire crypto space bounced back, and we hit an all-time high of $67,000 before we entered the bear market. Now, why I'm saying this is for you to have an understanding of what is possible. Now, these things happen without mass adoption in the crypto space. But right now, every single hedge fund holders out there, hedge fund companies are looking to dive into Bitcoin. Every bank out there is looking to dive into Bitcoin. Every government out there are exploring the possibility of them investing into Bitcoin. All right. There is no other time we could be in the crypto space apart from now. This is the right time to get in. Now, many of us, our portfolios are significantly down because, yes, we bought, some of us bought at the top price, while others were holding coins that we bought during the previous bull run, and those coins have dropped significantly. I'm a victim of such. I have a lot of coins in my possession that have dropped by over 10x. Some have even dropped over 30x in value. But I'm still holding because why? The altcoin season is not yet here. All right, the altcoin season is not here. So I'm going to be showing us some metrics that you will put into concept for you to understand that the fear that we are currently seeing right now cannot be compared to what is about to come. Now, remember, there are a few things that are still yet to come. First is we still have 2 rate cuts that are going to take place between now and December. That is one. Second, by January or next year, the Fed governor is going to be removed. All right. So the Fed governor by next year, his tenure is going to elapse. And usually, as believed, Donald Trump is going to appoint another Fed governor who is more crypto friendly. You understand? And when that comes in, we are going to see a new trend of buying. Now, a couple of days ago, there is what we call quantitative tightening. All right. So the Jerome Powell stated that quantitative tightening is coming to an end. We are gradually coming to an end of quantitative tightening in the entire financial industry. And what, if you don't understand what this means, it simply means quantitative tightening is a period of time where money is being sapped out from stock exchange or sapped out from asset class, all right, because of the inherent risk that are in them. But now that we are entering into the quantitative easing, okay, which is a QE, you can go research about it, QT and QE in finance, okay. So now when quantitative easing is being introduced, is going to fuel the next, it means that, okay, the fear is gone, everyone have a green light to invest, okay. So we are going to be seeing a new breed of investors coming into the crypto space to invest. And right now, the gold is currently blasting up. Gold is doing amazingly well. Okay. Gold is doing amazingly well. And sometimes when gold is doing well, it affects Bitcoin. That's number one. The dollar index is also recovering. When dollar index is doing well, BTC and crypto suffers it. Okay, because money flows out from crypto into dollar index. Always remember that. But here are some of the key metrics I would like us to take a look at using Bitcoin as a case study for you to understand where we are right now in Bitcoin and where we should be. Okay? Where we are right now in Bitcoin and where we should be. If you watch it and say in the volume in 24 hours, the volume is in the positive side, which is a good sign. Okay? So let's look here. Let's go down. Let's allow it to load. I just want you guys to understand certain metrics that will help you to make a more concise decision and not just FOMO all around. Now, let's look at the Bitcoin cycle. Now, if you look at the Bitcoin cycle here, this is a metrics that measures the possibility of Bitcoin hitting its all-time high or Bitcoin hitting its all-time low, or the is an indicator that shows should people take their profit right now or should they still hold. Now let's watch. If you look at the polar multiple status, it shows that Bitcoin is neither undervalued and is neither overvalued. So it is just within the middle. It's just within the period. It's just on the gray line. Okay. So let's look at this. And based on this 5 cycles top status, so you can see the 111-day moving average is showing that the price should be at $114,000, which means Bitcoin is actually on that price right now. And it is showing that it is also predicting that Bitcoin should hit a total of $202,000 in 350 days to come, which is a 350 days moving average. Do you understand? All right. Now, if you go down here, you can see, if you go down, you can look at the crypto market cycle top. All right. You can see at this point, it's still showing us that hold Bitcoin, don't sell. We are still at the hold. We have not even gotten to the top where it is going to indicate that, okay, you can go ahead and take your profit. You understand? So those that are selling right now are going to come back to buy when the market begins to move. It is only natural when you see people are panic selling. There are many thousands of people out there who will panic sell. There are thousands of bots out there set to take advantage of small price movement. But smart money traders are going to be accumulating. And you should think as a smart money trader, one of my students messaged me and was asking me, should he sell all his coins in his portfolio? And I was like, if you have not sold before this crash, selling right now is a very wrong decision for you to take. All right. And this I'm putting out to you guys. Always know that this is not a professional advice, but from my own perspective, from my own point of view, selling your bag right now is you actually letting go of your gold. All right, before the main gold rush will start. So I believe with this, I just wanted you guys to say it so that you guys will understand what is happening. Don't look at the fear, don't look at the panic, don't look at the chart. If you know your heart cannot handle it, don't look at the chart. Just exit your windows, close down your distance. Don't look at the chart, because right now, if you're looking at the chart, you'll be tempted to sell. You'll be tempted that, oh, if I sell right now, I can actually buy back lower. There is no guarantee that Bitcoin might drop lower than this. Okay. So I hope this, if you find this video helpful, if you find it interesting, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your comments in the comment section and let us know what you have. I'm going to be dropping more videos that has to do with Bitcoin and crypto in general, so that we can keep ourselves abreast with what is happening. Every indicators are showing that Bitcoin have not yet hit its all-time high. Remember this, every indicator out there is showing that Bitcoin is yet to hit its all-time high. It predicted that Bitcoin is to go over $200,000. I have shown you guys based on the Polar marketing desk, and it has shown us that Bitcoin is expected to exceed $200,000, and $105,000 is not $200,000. So we still have a lot of room to grow. Now, the only challenge I'm having is that when Bitcoin is picking up, altcoins are not moving along with it. And that is okay, because Bitcoin had to establish itself, all right, before fund can move from Bitcoin to the altcoin. So we are still waiting for the altcoin season. Many of us who are holding our bag, majority of our bags are consisting of altcoins. So hold on, our own time is coming. If you look on the coin market cap here on the top of the screen, you are going to see the altcoin season index. All right, so this index tells us how close we are to the altcoin season. All right, it tells us how close we are to the altcoin season, and you can see right here that we are not in the altcoin season at all. The altcoin season here is going to be when we get to the blue line here, and we are not anywhere close to the blue line. Do you understand it? So if you're holding your altcoins, don't sell. Just try and survive this onslaught for now, and we are going to come out stronger and better. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. Peace.